I got the golden ticket. Da, 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 dun, da, dun, dun. I got the golden ticket. Da, da, da. I got the golden ticket. The golden way of whatever. Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Anyway, this is a new $5 golden ticket from the Florida Lottery. Ticket number 59. You see the little black box? That basically means it's the first or the last one in the row. Match any of your numbers, any winning numbers, win prize. Show them for that number. Get a stack of coins, and you win that prize automatically. Get a gold coin, win double, and get a gold bar, you win all 12 prizes. We'll start off with a number 1, 3, 15, 5, 4, 19, 24, 7, 2, 12, 22, and 8. No golden symbols. We got to win it the old-fashioned way. We have a 17. Nope. A 20. Nope. A 14. We got a 4 and we got a 24. We don't have a 14. And 11. We got a 1, not an 11. Alright, so this is a loser. FWY. Folks, until next time, later.